Welcome to LIMS Math IQ, your space to explore smart mathematics, sharp analysis, and insightful problem solving. Stay tuned, because here, numbers come alive.
Today, I'll show you the multiplication table of 4. It's super easy and exciting. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi, friends! I'm Tojo. Today, we are gonna learn the table of 4.
Welcome to the multiplication table of 4. Let's recite, learn, and practice together.
4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8.
4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16.
4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24.
4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32.
4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40.
Great job, everyone! We just learned the table of 4. Now let's say it one more time together so we remember it better. Ready? Repeat
4
after me.
ones are 4. 4 twos are 8.
4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16.
4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24.
4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32.
4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40.
Well done, kids! You did an amazing job learning the table. Now, let's recite it one more time together.
4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40.
Bring your notebook and pencil, because it's time to practice the table. Write it down nice and big and say it out loud.
Thanks for watching this video on LIMS Math IQ. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting math insights. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next video.